Hi peers, this is Marcos del Castillo recording ARC 270 construction documents, and I'm gonna speak something about science and technology building from BYU, Idaho. I found some nice pictures over the internet that I want to show you, because I'm gonna talk about exterior elevations. As you can see, there are a lot of curtain walls in this side of the building, but the details I want to talk to you about are the ones in the brick veneer wall. So as you can see in this picture, it shows it how the brick veneer is like hanging. So there are some details that are really important to understand about these drawings. So pretty much the building has some phases of curtain walls, brick veneer, and concrete walls, architectural concrete walls, as we saw in the specifications. So I hope you enjoyed. I will speak about the exterior elevations. There are some details that I found that were really interesting that I learned about this. For example, pictures as our professors show us with these concrete walls and how they show us the finish of the face and then the brick veneer. So this is one of the details I'm going to talk about. The curtain walls we can see, and well, I think it is important for us to understand the drawings we are going to see about this building. It's a commercial building, and I hope you can understand my bad English. So thank you for watching this video.